Respected teachers, parents and dear students, I stand before you today with immense pride and joy as we gather to celebrate the Republic Day of our great nation. Today, I want to share with you why we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January and some interesting facts about our Constitution. January 26, 1930 was earlier celebrated as India's Independence Day or Purna Swaraj Day. It's the day India decided to fight for complete freedom. But after we achieved independence on August 15 in 1947, our leaders wanted January 26 to be remembered in history as well. Therefore, the day was made to coincide with the day of Swaraj. The first Republic Day was celebrated on January 26, 1950, 3 years after we got independence. The first Republic Day parade at Rajpath was held in 1955. The main Republic Day celebration is held in the national capital, New Delhi, at the Rajpath, officially named as Kartavya Path. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was sworn in as the first President of India on January 26, 1950 at 10:24 am. This year, our current President Srimati Draupadi Murmu will unfurl the flag. Republic Day celebrations are a 3-day-long affair. Republic Day celebrations kick-start with the unfurling of the 21 gun salute. The celebration ends on January 29 with the beating retreat ceremony. On the eve of the Republic Day, the country is addressed by the President of India. Constitution Day, Samvidhan Divas, is celebrated on 26 November every year to commemorate the adoption of the Constitution of India. On 26 November 1949, the Constituent Assembly of India adopted to the Constitution of India and it came into effect on 26 January 1950. India's Constitution is the longest in the world. It has a total of 448 articles. It is written in English and Hindi. Both copies of the Constitution of India are handwritten. The drafting of the Constitution took over 2 years, 11 months and 17 days. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar was leading the drafting committee. There are no printed copies of the Constitution of India. The Indian Constitution is only calligraphed. The original copies of the Constitution of India are preserved in helium-filled caskets at the library of the Parliament House. Jan Gan Man, the national anthem of India, was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on January 24, 1950. Liberty, equality and fraternity, 3 concepts highlighted in the Indian Constitution, are inspired by the French Constitution. I hope you get to know some new information about our Constitution and why we celebrate 26 January as Republic Day. Thank you.